Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Victoria, and today we are going to be testing out custom press-on nails.
And you can get these nails with just 4 simple steps, so we're going to show you exactly how you can get any manicure that you want.
Super fancy pantsy.
Actual salon nails.
Actual salon nails done by an actual human that does nails.
Also, make sure that you guys stay tuned for after we get the nails on so that you can see a very super satisfying test of how well the nails actually work. We're going to try it out on all kinds of things and it's just going to blow your mind, hopefully.
So step 1, you just find a picture on Pinterest or Instagram, any picture of nails of your wildest dreams.
Yep, so this is the picture that I found on Pinterest, so you have a reference for what I asked for. Then step 2, you are just going to measure your nails because you want to make sure that they are custom fit. Everyone has different widths of nails, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that so that you get the right size. So first, before you measure, you're just going to trace your hands onto a piece of paper. So you're gonna get a measuring tape, the bendy wendy kind, and you're gonna get the centimeter side. So with these centimeters, you have the big notches are gonna be 10 millimeters. So take a big notch on one end and then just wrap it. So this one, I would count, so you can see it's almost exactly 10, but you want to go 1 less than the millimeters because the press-ons are going to expand when you push them down on your nails. So I measured out 9 for this nail. You'll do that same thing with all 10 of your nails. So with my thumb, I have the big line lined up right there, and I come to this edge, and so I know that that's 10. I'm going to count 11, 12, 13, 14 is pretty much where it ends, but I'm gonna go 1 less, so this one's gonna be 13, if you can see that. After each measurement, you're just gonna fill in what each nail was. So just as a reference, this is what my measurements were, and I have really narrow fingernails, so mine are probably smaller than what most people's will be.
In step 3, you submit your information to her, so the picture that you want and your nail measurements. And we will put that information in the description below.
Okay, and then step 4 is put them on. So let's get to this. Here we go. So now that we have our nails, we're gonna take our little buffing tool that comes in your nail kit, and you're just gonna buff out every little fingernail. This makes it so that the nails stick better, because if they're on a smooth surface, they are likely to just pop right off.
Get that skin up out of here.
All right, so before you go ahead and glue them on, just test it and make sure that it's the right size. And for me, that fits great. Victoria is gonna do some of her professional counting for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Already, we're having a major transformation.
Wow.
And the nice thing about these is that they are reusable, so
Push it and hold it real good.
beautiful background.
So there were a few that were, it was almost like they were a little too curved or maybe just a little too wide. So what we did is took a file and just kind of filed the edges of it, and it helped it just fit and sit way better. So if you feel like the size is a little off, you can just file down around the edges of the nail. So not the top, not the bottom, the edges, and it sit way better.
And if the nails are totally off, you can probably reach out to Haley to get them fixed, but it's your responsibility to make sure that you are measuring right from the beginning, because if you totally measure all of them wrong, ain't nobody gonna fix that.
It's true. And you can try to file those the best you can. But it wasn't bad at all.
Yeah, no, not at all. They mostly pretty much all went on perfectly. So let's put these babies to the test. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you guys who are ordering press-ons while we're in quarantine to be able to do it right, measure it right, and get the nails of your dreams.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and show us a little love.
A lot of love.
A lot of love. We need a lot of love. A lot of love. We need a lot of love.
Bye!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Victoria.
And I'm Kylie.
And that's it. She's Kylie, that's all.
What is that? It was so weird. I was laughing. You didn't notice.
I think my brain has left the building. Well, I'm glad I'm not the only one with a silent laugh.